Hello, and if this is the last video to ever be seen by anyone else, then I would extremely suggest someone else put their own music to it